The Karnataka government will launch a month-long Freedom from Waste campaign in Bengaluru from August 1st to remove garbage, construction debris and roadside waste across the city. Bengaluru Development Minister Krishna Bairegowda, while chairing a review meeting, said authorities had already identified 1,616 locations where waste and debris had accumulated. He directed all civic agencies, including city corporations, K-Ride, Railways and Metro, to jointly implement the drive. The government also asked owners of vacant plots to clear weeds and garbage from their properties before August 15th. If they fail to do so, civic authorities will carry out the cleaning and recover the entire cost from the owners. Gowda also instructed officials to remove illegal banners and hoardings. He said those found re-encroaching on footpaths after the Safe Footpath campaign would face double the penalty. During the meeting, the minister also reviewed property records and tax collection. He directed officials to begin doorstep distribution of e-Khata deeds for around 23 lakh properties and use drone technology to identify properties outside the tax net.